Okay, today we are going to talk to Sonali Raut, the most hot, cool, sexy babe. She was a calendar, model for Kingfisher. She started her journey as a modeling, and I think modeling takes you into the silver screen very easily. Let's ask her how was her journey. आमच्या महाराष्ट्राची मुलगी Sonali Raut.
Thank you very much. That was a great introduction.
So tell us something about your journey, Sonali.
Okay, so I would like to say, I was 18. That's when I was approached for Kingfisher Calendar, and that was my first job. So it was the first bikini shoot for me, like a first big break. And I was super excited because it was Atul Kasbekar. He was the one who spotted me, who got me into the industry. And I would like to thank him for that opportunity. And of course, when you're a calendar girl, modeling is I would say modeling is a stepping stone for Bollywood. So yeah, it was a great experience. And since then, I have never looked back. Kyunki movies hue. And my debut happened with Himesh Reshammiya and Yo-Yo Honey Singh.
Expose.
Yes, that was my debut.
Known for exposing also.
No, it's just that I have a super fit body, and when you have good body, flaunt it. Yeah, मेहनत करते, exercise करते, we diet, like we look after ourselves. So yes, दिखना भी चाहिए और जो दिखता है वो बिकता है.
Exactly. Such a bold statement you've given, Let's switch on to the Maxim photo shoot. That was, not only, nationwide talked about, but it was a worldwide discussion. It was with the photo shoot, the sexy, hot babe हमारी सोनाली राउत ही थी. तो इनसे पूछते हैं कि मैक्सिम की फोटोशूट रणवीर सिंह के साथ कैसी थी इनकी.
जी, मुझे जब मेरे एजेंसी ने कहा कि यू आर शूटिंग विद रणवीर सिंह, एंड आई वाज लाइक, ओह, द super hot Ranveer, and I was like, and they said, it's a very glamorous, bold photo shoot. So, just be comfortable. I said, okay, again a bikini shoot. Again a bikini shoot. So I was like, okay. And jab main set pe pahunchi, it was in a hotel and great people to work with. It was Subi Samuel, photographer, and Subi did a very good job. He made both of us super comfortable. I have to tell you this. Ranveer was little uncomfortable because for him it was the first shoot, like a very bold and glamorous one.
Usually men are slightly, reclusive initially. Yes. Girls, when they open up, they open up because they know it's a job and camera work it is. It's not in reality that people think.
And ये जो experience है, of course I have a modeling experience, so that's where it comes from. So it came very naturally to me. And Ranveer was like little shy, but he was very sweet. He was very supportive. Very handsome. Yes, we look good. We looked together very good. And I would like to tell you, once the pictures were out, it was like, wow, like everyone was talking about the pictures. My sister, Ujwala Raut, even she was like, Sonu, I think that was pretty bold. And I said, yeah, but I have done a bikini shoot. She said, yeah, you have done a bikini shoot, but you haven't done with a guy. So when you do it with a guy, it's it's little like it's bold. So I think वो एक फर्क था. So yeah, family से भी reaction था, लोगों से भी reaction था. But I think I knew what I was doing it. And Ranveer was like very good on the shoot. We had a good time. We had a superb time. I got to know him very well. And, his Dhurandhar is like doing very well. Yeah. So, so Ranveer, great job. Your movie is fantastic. I watched the, first part, the second part, and you are amazing. And everyone is rocking in the movie. And the movie abhi bhi chal rahi hai. It's like too good.
It's too good. And I believe certain, poses, like we remember the Khajuraho poses. Yeah. People used to go to watch Khajuraho poses, in Khandwa, wherever it is, and certain poses, Khajuraho, certain poses, jo he has tried to copy in some of his film. Will you show those poses, and what would you like to say? I have heard from the sources, but how far is it factual? Can you show those poses also?
I cannot show, but I can show it on my phone. I can't do it here. So yeah, on the phone, I remember there was this particular pose where, of course, I'm on the couch. I mean, I'm sitting on the edge of the couch, and he's sitting like. I think better I show it because
Yeah,
it
they,
sounds weird.
yeah.
Yeah.
A clear vision you get with the picture. You know, the poster gives you a clear vision.
Yeah.
Can you show it?
Of course. This is interesting.
He did it. He repeated it with one of his heroine.
Yes, I didn't know he just loved the pose so much. So this one it is. Can you see? I think this. one.
you can show it on the this. Wow.
Yes. So this is the pose, like the pose, and I think रणवीर को मुझे लगता है ये pose इतनी अच्छी लगी. He did with Vani Kapoor. I think it's the similar one he did with Vani Kapoor. So yeah. I think I would say you should do it now with Deepika.
So
joking.
she's just joking. Huh? Don't take it seriously, Ranveer.
Yes. Yeah. So yeah, it was quite fun. Quite fun.
Okay. So, you know, since you've been nurtured in a Marathi family, and the Marathi people are very, they're not very bold. But how come Sonali has become so bold? And it's good, you know, because you're doing your job, and it's on the reel. In real, of course, you have to be reclusive.
Yes.
What do you have to, would you like to guide certain models? What message would you like to give?
See, you know, I would like to say we have 5 girls in the family and they all are very pretty. So, yes.
indeed.
And of course, you know my sister. She's an international model. She's our first Indian supermodel. Her name is Ujwala Raut. So, yeah, जब आपके घर में ही supermodel है, then it becomes like easier to follow. So, I think training और comfort वहाँ से मिल गया था. I used to watch her, like, you know, of course we have a age difference. So I used to watch my sister doing shows and fashion shows and traveling, and I used to see lot of like hot models like John Abraham, Bipasha, Meher Jasia, Arjun Rampal. You know, all the supermodels back then. So very used to supermodels. So yeah, so this training and this boldness and this confidence have come from there. So yes, it's because, and yeah, I know chaos. You know, Maharashtrians are very simple people.
Yeah, very
They're very simple.
yeah.
But when you'll see me home, I'm very simple, very
Very homely next door kind of a girl.
correct. You can see I look very glamorous,
Yeah.
but this is what I like. You know, I love to dress up. I love to look good. I love to, like, you know, maintain myself. I love, like, you know, exercising and you know, maintain the fitness. And हमारे घर में even after kids, my all sisters are like very hot.
Can we have it? Yeah, on this also. She is such a beautiful looking model, you know, and an actress. She has got lovely cuts. Let me ask her, when did she realize that she is beautiful, and who told her? And has she inherited the beauty from her mother? She's got lovely cuts, you know. People, आपने कोई सर्जरी भी नहीं की, मेरे को लगता है.
अभी तक तो नहीं है. I don't want to, like, you know, little here and there. I think अभी सब लोग, you know, सब कुछ करते हैं. सारे actresses, not even actresses, even actors do it. So अभी तक तो natural हूँ. I would say, yeah, but I really take care of myself. I eat well, I think well, and you know, I'm always with good people around. So yes. So yeah, and of course, you know, parents बहुत ही you know, handsome couple है. So my mom is 5'8", my dad is 6'2". So all my sisters are very tall. All my nieces are very tall. It's all girls in the family. So yes, like all pretty looking people.
Exactly. Me being a woman, you know, usually women don't appreciate the beauty of women, but I am, because you're really pretty. Would you like to give some beauty tips to the upcoming models?
I would say, like, I think for Gen Zs and Gen Alphas, I think they're super fast. They know it. And social media ka zamana hai. So I think they're born ready, they're born confident. I don't have to give any tips. But if in case, like, agar dena hi hai, I would say, like, इफ़ यू आर लाइक, अगर आप बॉम्बे में आ रहे हो, आप मुंबई कर नहीं हो, सो प्लीज़ टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ. Always surround yourself with good people, positive people. Don't get misguided. Always look for pageants, always look for agents, always look for agencies. Take care of yourself, exercise, maintain a healthy diet. You can do yoga, pranayam, MMA, Zumba, whatever you like. Just think positive and be positive, and just be happy and give and spread love.
I know you're such a good-looking actress. You ventured with the Himesh Reshmiya's film Expose. I think I met you then. I interviewed Himesh.
Okay, for that.
For that, I think he didn't promote you much.
Was it?
I feel because I don't remember having spoken to you.
Okay, yeah. So, movie industry is like the pros and cons. And I would say Himesh was like, I'm first of all very thankful that Himesh Reshamia launched me. And he's a great producer, great person to work with. And it was a fun set with, apne jo legend Irfan Khan ji the. I got a chance to work with him on my first movie. Then, of course, Yo-Yo Honey Singh was there. So Yo-Yo was like very big that time, and he was like rocking and rocking and rocking. And Himesh was like amazing. I think you should ask Himesh Reshame why he did not promote me much. What was the reason? I nice to him? I was, and he was so nice to me. I think you should ask him. But it's okay. I got compensated. I went to Big Boss. So yeah.
I know you went to Big Boss in Salman Khan's show,
Yes.
So, how do you look at Salman Khan's show? Because you have also participated in Big Boss Marathi. So, if comparison suggested, three comparisons, what would you like to state?
I think, Big Boss Hindi was the show for me because it gave me everything. Everything means everything. You name it, and I would say yes. I got it from the show. So, yeah, it's a huge show. It's a big deal. Or I got this opportunity. I was very nervous. Yeah, because it was Big Boss.
And Salman Khan.
And the Salman Khan, actually, yeah, I was super excited to meet Salman. And fortunately, when I was shooting for Expose No, I met Salman on the first day of my shoot.
Huh.
So, and this was in 2 months only. Actually, I was shooting. I was like, I think Expose was January. I met Salman like first day of the shoot, and quickly in month of October, I was on the show. So it happened so quickly.
So quickly.
Yeah, in that year only, my movie released plus the show happened to me, Big Boss. So yeah, Salman remembered me, and of course he knows my sister Ujwala. They started like together, and yeah, Salman was very supportive. I would say Salman is very helpful. He's if he sees that you're underdog or something, he'll support you, he'll guide you. And that time I was young also, so he was very nice and supportive, and he really took care of me. And love you, Salman.
But new entrants, always people from the industry, Bollywood industry, they always try to treat you as underdog. Have you been treated like that sometime?
Maybe in the beginning, because not now anymore.
Yeah, so we'd like to refresh your memories and share those things at the beginning that you must have confronted.
See, during Big Boss Hindi, I was like very fresh. I was the youngest contestant on the show.
I know.
So I think Salman knew, and the contestants were very popular back then, all celebs. Or when I was there inside the house, I didn't know anything because hardly I had watched Big Boss Hindi. And very confidently, I told the team, yeah, I've seen the season, and I'll rock it. But at the beginning, I was very lost. And then the team was very helpful. They came, they guided me. They said, no, we know you are quite good. It's just that you need to, bring out that side, and you need to be confident, and you should talk. Whatever you feel like, just express it. Otherwise, the contestants, aapko, like, they are
खा
going to
जाएंगे.
खा जाएंगे. And they were doing it also. वो खा ही रहे थे. All thanks to Salman and audience that, audience really supported me. Really supported me.
Anything with Salman Khan on Weekend Kawar you would like to remember
I
and
think, with Salman, I would say like he used to talk to me for like 20 minutes and with the other contestants for like 10 minutes. That was the difference. And it was very sweet. Salman yelled at everyone. Like, of course, he doesn't shout because he has like, ऐसे ही चिल्लाते नहीं है. If you're wrong or something, Salman will, only that time, he will take it up.
it's a sort of guidance.
Correct. Yeah. But with me, he was very sweet. He was very gentle. He knew कि अगर कुछ तो ये तो बच्चा रोने ही वाला है. So he felt like he was like very what do you say? He was guiding me throughout. I got very good comments and great it was a great thing to work with Salman, and I was there for 105 days.
Wow.
Yeah.
Contrary to that, I believe, I mean, I've been hearing that you were not treated properly in Marathi Big Boss. Everybody and the environment around there were very infectious. Do you think it's because of the region or because the endemol तो दोनों के लिए करता है, I think. तो क्या कारण था कि उन्होंने मराठी को डिग्रेडेड वे में environment create करके रखा?
I really have no idea what went wrong with Big Boss Marathi. Because, being a Maharashtrian, I was super excited. Or, in in Maharashtrian, like, they always ask, Are you're a Marathi mulgi. Have you done anything in Marathi? So I thought, this is a good opportunity to be, part of Marathi, like a cinema or a show or a reality show. So that's why I took it up. And it was the same team, Endemol and Jio Hotstar. And they kept telling me, Sonali, you have done Big Boss, you know how it is, you know how it is. Basically, I was misled. So when I went, शुरुआत तो बहुत अच्छी हुई, but unfortunately after 3-4 days on the set, like inside the house, I got this infection. And
What exactly was the infection? Would you give the biological term?
basically, this infection is called scabies, and it's a very highly contagious. Yeah, it's a skin infection, and it's very contagious.
Because of the animals around.
No, it's skin to human beings to human beings. Yeah. And of course the environment was very it was very unhygienic. I got evicted, and the first thing I went to my doctor, and of course I took the pictures and I showed it to my doctor, and he saw the pictures and he saw my body, and he's like, this is scabies. He asked me, was it very unhygienic inside? He said it only happens to people who are like very the people who stay in a very unhygienic condition.
Yeah, like it mostly happens to the beggars and all.
Yes.
So sad, so
Yeah.
sad.
So the doctors were like, how come you got it? And I said, I was on this reality show, and they said, yes, we know, we did watch. And they said, it's very sad that it happened to you. और उन्होंने बोला, please get yourself treated because it's very contagious. You don't have to stay with your parents also because they are senior citizen. So, for 4 days, I have to stay in the hotel. So yeah, this infection is very serious, and it takes time to heal. Iski treatment, actually the treatments are still going on.
I believe you've also taken legal action. What is the reach, and where have you reached as yet, and what was the response from them? What was your action?
So basically, I took it up to Endemol. I did send my pictures and my concern to them. I told them what was happening inside. Because it's not just about me, but for the other contestant also, and for the show also. Because I have been part of them. I have been like, Endemol and Jio Hotstar have been very good to me. But there was no response. There was response, but they just said nothing happened inside. They are saying, oh, we are not sure okay, this happened to you, but they said their legal team would yeah. And when the legal team, they sent me an email saying like nothing happened, we checked internally, there's no problem at all, everything is like very clean, everything is like the food is given properly, it's proper rest, and it was all wrong.
You were kept hungry also, I believe.
So the food was like very
And
basic.
made to sleep down.
Correct. So this theme was rationing. So the task, like we all got, everything was around ration. So whenever we lost task, like हमें punishment बहुत severe मिल रहे थे. They said the ration will be half. Okay, so very basic stuff was coming. They said furniture कोई use नहीं करेगा. Everyone has to sleep down. Then they said कि one washroom to 17 people. Yes. And
Did they flush it properly?
no, actually, a lot of people, it's a regional, and a lot of people, like were from a minority, or you know how it is. Like, not everyone is privileged, and everyone has a struggle story.
Yes.
So, but I would like to say that not every Maharashtrian, has a struggle story, or not every Maharashtrian is like,
We as a human being, everybody has struggle story.
Yeah,
I have,
it's
you
so
have,
true.
every human being. We should not bifurcate as per religion.
When I went on the show, I saw the quality of the contestants. I didn't know how to react. They were scared. They were nervous to see me, and I was nervous to see them.
Such a vast difference.
Correct.
It was like east and west.
Yes. And you're right.
East is always the least, and west is always the
Best. No, but on the show, it was worst. So yeah. So ये punishment हमें था, like 17 people, like we had to use only one washroom, and there were a lot of restrictions, lot of things were happening, and that's when like on third and fourth day, I got this infection. It started spreading all over my body. I did take it up to their doctors. Unfortunately, they couldn't they what do you say, they could not detect, they could not identify basically what was happening. They asked me only what is happening, and then they prescribed me some this medicine called Allegra, and they said they said eat healthy, and there should be a dermat. Actually, it should not be an MBBS doctor. So basically we were really tortured. हमारे खाने में चूहे डांस कर रहे थे. बिकॉज इतने बड़े बड़े तो चूहे थे घर के अंदर, और वो हमारे सारे राशन पे घूम रहे. यस. And there were mice trap also. So चूहे रहते थे. And we did take it up to the big boss. Like, we used to tell on cameras, there are like such big rats, you need to do something about it. Unfortunately, nothing happened. Dustbin के आसपास, and they make a lot of noise, if you know. So that was very scary. बंदर आते थे.
क्या बात है?
Yeah, बंदर भी आते थे घर के अंदर. Then the set was not open because of the monkeys. इसीलिए no sunlight. तो हमें घर, मतलब जो मशीन्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लाइक ड्रायर भी जो मिलता था, वो ड्राई तो कुछ नहीं होता था, बिकॉज इट यूज टू टेक 3 days कपड़े सूखने के लिए. एंड what with our clothes, that could be animals or contestants. I think एक दूसरे की बेडशीट यूज़ कर ली, because we had to sleep down. एक दूसरे के टॉवल्स यूज़ कर लिए, नैपकिन्स यूज़ कर लिए. And because we had this punishment, we had to use only one washroom, and men and women are different. How can you make them use? Bahar bhi, the washrooms are different. So everyone used to litter. People used to, like production, when they used to task के लिए जब घर बंद करते थे, they used to tell contestant to smoke inside the washroom, same washroom. Yes. So everyone, like, people used to smoke, people used to litter. Some people, like, I think contestant ate food. They used to have chicken and eat eggs, and they used to throw eggshells there only on the inside the washroom. And yeah, a lot of people, like, I remember 2-3 contestants didn't even know the flush button. So we had to tell them, like, this is a flush button, this is how you use it. And flush button kabhi kabhi to chalta bhi nahi tha. So it was like very bad. I don't know, it was a low production. And I've got to know 2-3 things, like the electronics they had given to us. It had, I think it was from Big Boss Hindi set, because there were stickers of Amal, there was sticker of Tanya and Mrudul. So I could figure it out कि ये Big Boss Hindi से electronics है. So they had just got the electronics from Big Boss Hindi.
That's okay. Cut short the production value.
Yeah. So
Anyway, what are your future projects?
and there was one more thing which I would like to tell. Breach of contract भी हो गया.
Acha.
Yes, the breach of trust में it happened, like it was a third day, And there were these two contestants, and they said, "We know you were coming." I'm like, "How?" They said, "Yeah, because your agreement came to us saying Sonali Raut's agreement from Jio Hotstar." And then they said, "Oh, we deleted." So they said we saw the agreement and we knew you were coming. So it was a breach of trust also. So it's a very big, like a very big thing. You cannot share your contract to
Exactly,
to
to the
contest.
other contestants.
Correct.
And I believe you have made an agreement that you cannot work hereafter, so you'll be undergoing such financial loss and with the treatment alongside.
Yeah, actually, emotional, mental, physical, everything. I think physically, I really went through because I have rashes on my body. It's all over the body. I have been on this treatment, and yeah, it's an expensive treatment. Like I did the laser because I have all rashes. So to fade those marks, like expensive creams and ointments and tablets. And unfortunately, one of my doctors also got this infection. Yes, and she said, what's happening? So yeah,
So strong.
yeah, it was it's contagious.
Contagious.
Yes, and yeah, and then it shouldn't happen to my parents. Also, I had to stay in the hotel. So yeah, it's a big financial loss also.
What further projects?
I can't take it up. I can't wait. I have actually there was another reality show.
Oh, Pansa. So you had to say a big no to them.
Yes, because
So you can always talk to Endomol, no?
no, I've signed the contract. No, they
So
said
you can tell them ki bhaiya
until and unless the finale doesn't happen, you cannot be part of any other reality show. I think in a week's time.
Oh, so after that you can.
Yes, we can take it up. Yeah, but I just missed an opportunity, and not just this, but during January when
Which opportunity?
I cannot. They have already started.
production.
Yes.
Oh, you were playing the lead.
No, actually, I'm talking about this reality show.
It has already started.
They have started shooting.
मैं अपना दिमाग
It's on
चलाती हूँ.
Amazon. It
हाँ,
will be on
yeah,
Amazon.
It will be on
And all celebrities, top celebrities.
Oh, wow.
So you can guess which one.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, but I couldn't be part of it because I'm under contract with Jio Hotstar, and they told me very specifically you can't do anything. I said okay. I did take it up to them. My manager, yeah, my team checked with them. They said no, you're under contract. You can't take up any show. I said okay.
Okay. So while we conclude this interview, what would you like to sum up in totality about being such a good model, bold, wild model, not a mild
Wild,
one?
wild.
Because such photo shoots, it's really interesting to see such photo shoots, and yet you show it, and yet you don't show it. It looks very aesthetic.
Thank you.
That is so important for today's model to know that, because it is shot aesthetically.
Yes.
So, are you getting more offers globally for photo shoots, magazines, especially?
Yeah, this month, yes, I'll be part of this magazine shoot. So, but I can't say again,
Yeah.
because I'm just waiting for the finale to. I'm under contract. So yeah, there is lot actually in the pipeline, and you'll see in this month only. I'm shooting for one of the top magazine. So that's happening, and hopefully soon on a reality show. And there are like there are series actually. So yeah, it's in talks but can't talk.
Okay, Sonali Raut has to go a long way, but before she started with Kingfisher, and his Kingfisher head honcho is abroad facing some problems. So, if you could share something when you met him first.
With whom?
Yeah. We used to go and, cover all the shoots then.
Yes, I think Dr. Vijay Malia, what to say? What a classy man. What a classy man. And, I would say since 14 or 15, I used to attend all his Kingfisher launch calendar parties because my sister was part of Kingfisher calendar. She did the first edition and I was there, and that's when I was like, man, this man is somebody with class, very flamboyant, like out there, very good looking, lot of presence, strong personality, and bold.
Yeah.
And bold, very well spoken, and yeah, we all love him and we miss him. I really miss him. Yes, that's my memory with Dr. Vijay Mallya.
Thank you so much.